Yo, what up everybody? Today I'm gonna be unboxing another car part that I got from Japan, and I've been waiting for a while. So first I'm gonna go pick it up, and I'm actually gonna head upstate to my boy Ishi's house, and I guess I can show you guys the progress of the car in this video, since I never really showed it. But yeah, so you guys are gonna have to wait. Well, I'm gonna have to wait because I'm gonna get it right now, and then I'm gonna go up for like a 1.5 hour drive. So I'll see you guys then. So this is where my car used to be stored. Well, this is the storage, but somehow it became storage for everything. I gotta make space now for this. But there's the hood. I'm gonna get it out. So yeah, I guess we'll unbox it when we get over there, or tomorrow morning, because it's probably gonna be late by the time I get there. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end up having to unbox it here because it does not fit in there. So let me just open it up. I need some keys. So I think I waited about 6 months for this hood. I actually got it sooner than I got the side skirts. Clearly, I mean, this thing's been in the garage forever. Now I'm deciding to unbox it. I'm not gonna fully open it here and just take it out. Gotta get over there. I'll show you guys fully over there. But this hood is pretty light. So till tomorrow or the morning, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go to sleep when I get over there. The next day. I ended this video last night, so it's the next morning. And it's sheer height. This hood took 4 months to get. My side skirts took a whole year, and I ordered side skirts before.
think the best thing to do is let's put the hinges first. Let's just put the hinges.
Yeah. Oh, I mean, you gotta bring that shit, bring it down. Yeah. Here's an update on the car. Got the manifold and the motor mounts chrome plated. Got this track tough filling neck. That's pretty much all that changed. Oh, K-tune tie rods. Yeah, I think it goes like
this, right?
Yeah. So that's that side. Our hoods are almost similar. It's the Jay's Racing one. Only difference is mine don't have this little. They fit?
Should. Not gonna tighten it too much.
Got the fiberglass version because I'm poor. Oh yeah, mine comes with the little thing under too for the water.
Let's just lift it up. Put it on this.
Yeah. You can see.
Lift it up. Just keep the wrapping on.
Huh?
Just swap it, spin it.
Just take off the wrapping.
That's it.
Yeah. Okay. There's the hood latch. Yeah, this one came out. I guess because the hood
How's it supposed to lock? Does it have a pin? Does it need a pin or something?
Gotta turn that on, remember? Put it up straight.
Move the tool out of it. It probably hit this and lift it.
It's lifting the cowl. Also. I'll probably gotta take this out too. I'll lift it up. I can't see. This hood stinks, huh? You smell it?
I got a bastard smell.
This hood fucking freaking
Smell
stink.
fiberglass. In Japan, they use that tape now. Is it hitting something? Is that hitting on?
Let's try. Hold on. I mean, I don't. This is close, but I don't think it's hitting. Or is it? Maybe it is. Alright guys, so hood is on. Like I said, it took 4 months from the day I ordered it, which it wasn't that bad. It came pretty quick, but this is a Buddy Club hood. I'm gonna have to get this covered, close out these holes. I don't use these. It's just gonna look even better, and it comes with a like a water catcher. You see, if I would take that off, let me show you guys. Right now it helps catch the water so the water don't get in. See this little cover, I just unscrew it off, and then you could see the engine. The motor will be exposed, so I guess when I wash it, throw it on when I'm at a show, I'll take it off, and it actually comes with it. His, on the other hand, this is the J's Racing hood. It's pretty similar, only difference is mine doesn't have like this and then this middle part. So this is how it looks with it exposed. And for his, it actually was an extra piece. I think it was like an extra $200. It's the J's Racing one. And again, it's the Buddy Club one. So you see, it's just, they don't have the thing in the middle. But yeah, I mean, this hood looks like, I guess, kind of fits, but it could use some work. But yeah, that'll be the body guy taking care of that stuff. But as of now, it's not like fully closing. My last hood, I had the Max Racing with the hood pin, so now I'm trying to go back to hood latch. So I think it's because I took off the bottom of the bottom part of this T-bracket is kind of weak. So when the hood closes, it like flexes. So I need to probably put the whole bracket. I think I took it off before because I don't know if it wasn't clearing because the fans or something. I don't know. I have to check. Honestly, I don't remember. But here's a quick look how the engine bay is. You guys are the first to see it. I haven't posted it on my Instagram or anything. But yeah, it's coming along.
yeah, just wanted to show you guys, unbox this new hood. And yeah, this is, I can't read it, but it comes with a sticker. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I'll probably, if you guys want to stay more updated, I'll definitely post more on Instagram, so you just make sure you follow me there. Even though I haven't showed any of this yet, but yeah. Till next time, guys.